Hello guys. Start na?
Yeah.
Let's open this. Now let's start.
What is that?
Glue.
Yeah. In that's
What is
lime.
lime?
Ik heb me wel voorstellen dat die kinderen elkaar knuffelen.
Ja, dat is zo.
Ik vind het nog wel fijn.
Yeah.
Kom, een knuffeltje voor jou.
And this is to open it.
Look, Opa.
Like this. It's not delicate.
Hey.
Hindi look, Opa.
That's only pretending.
Huh?
It's only pretending.
Opa
Now
is on.
let's open the next one.
Okay.
Goed zo.
And what is that?
Markers.
En de vulste.
So I don't know the opening.
Nee,
So
dat
I
is voor
find
iets
it.
aan te strepen.
Hè?
Is voor iets aan te strepen. Dat extra aandacht krijgt.
Oh, ja.
Wat? Ja.
Highlighten. Ja.
Yeah. Yeah. That's for to highlight.
I need a scissors.
Precies.
Can you open it? This. So this is color
What color is that?
pink.
Yeah. Okay.
And let's try the next one. Blue.
Blue.
Oh, goed zo. Ja, toch. Beetje stroom, hè?
What's next?
Green.
Hè, toch.
And yellow.
Geel.
Wow. Nice color. Nice color.
What is this? Light pink.
Yeah. Light pink. Yeah.
Blue. Light blue.
Ja,
Ja.
goed zo.
Light green.
Yeah.
Ja, goed zo, meid.
So.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Light yellow.
Ja.
Good job.
We weten is dat ook allemaal goed.
Stop.
And what more you gonna open?
The paper. Next.
Goed zo.
I'm gonna do something for Oma.
Ja,
Oké.
maak maar eens iets moois voor oma.
Okay now? I can turn off the video?
Yes. Wait.
Okay. Oh, what is that? You tell them?
Paper. Click the bell button.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Bye.